Hello guys, how are you? Today now we discuss how can open lock without break. Now let's start. Now I put the key in the lock. Okay. Now let's open. Yeah, okay. Now close, now then again. Okay, open. And how is the open lock without break? Okay, open. Yeah, I don't the key. Okay, now I have two lever. Now one small and then other lever is big. Now small is put lock like this, and second lever is put on the other side. Okay, now I'll push tightly. Okay, 1 2 and now this to other side. Okay, now you see. Okay, 1. Okay, yeah, break the lock. Open the lock without break. How is this? Now you can see. Now let's again. Okay, on other sides, and should be upon the other sides. Okay, now push the yeah. Now open the lock without break. What is the break lock? Now you are a more practice. Now then I again put the key. Okay, open. Now it's a right. This is a right. Now again. No, it's not open, but it's not a damage lock. Okay, open. Other side. Push tightly. 1 2 3 go. Okay. Now thanks for watching. Please share this video if you agree.